Hello learner, in this video we will see about if, IFS, COUNTIF and count with multiple function. So here I have written some function. If function is a pre-made function, it returns values based on true and false, and if returns values based on true and false with multiple condition. And count function counts the value based on single condition, and COUNTIFS function counts the value based on multiple condition. So what I will do here I have one table, a table with 4 columns: driver name, vehicle type, speed, qualified and grade. So here I will check first if IFS, these two functions. So what I want to do here, I just want to know these driver are qualified for or not in this race. So what I will do, I will write here if function, and then I will write and I will take here logical test. So what will be logical test? So I am taking here 100 is the passing criteria. So I will write here if the speed is more than 100, then you will pass, otherwise you will fail. So here you can see, if the speed is more than 100, then you will pass. If it is not more than 100, you will fail. So I am entering here. So the speed of this zone is more than 100, so it is passed. So again I will check. Here you can see 95, 43, 90, 85. These are failed and others are passed. Now let's talk about grade. If you want to make a grading system for this racing, so what I will do, I will use here if with multiple condition, IFS. And what will be my logical test? My logical test will be C2, and if it is more than 100, the grade will be A, and if it is more than 70, grade will be B, and if it is more than 40, grade will be C. Now you can see here, according to their speed range, they have gotten the grade A, grade B, grade C. So now let's talk about COUNTIF and COUNTIFs. So here let's type here COUNTIF. COUNTIF means this function counts the values with one condition, with single condition. So now here let's look at the range. So my range will be speed and comma. So what I want to count, I want to count more than 100. Speed is more than 100. So here more than 100, enter. So you can see here 6 data point is more than 100. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 data point is more than 100. Now let's look at the count with multiple conditions. So it's equal to COUNTIFS. So here what I want to do, I want to take the two criteria, speed and vehicle type. So first I have to select the speed, and what is my speed range will be speed, okay, and the criteria will be more than 100, and the next criteria range is here, vehicle type. And what will be my criteria range? 2 is bike. Here you can see 3. So how many bike are there who have speed more than 100? So let's check. So here 125, 120 and 110. So here in this video you have learnt about 4 functions: if, single condition, if with multiple condition, count with single condition, and count with multiple condition. Thank you.